5 Feng Shui mistakes draining your home's energy, plus how to fix them. Have you ever walked into your home and felt heavy? Like the space isn't breathing with you? That's not just in your head. In Feng Shui, our homes are living energy fields, and when the flow is blocked, we feel it in our rest, our mood, our clarity. Today, I'm sharing 5 common Feng Shui mistakes that quietly drain your home's energy, and more importantly, the gentle, intentional fixes that invite balance back in. Welcome to Bloom Moment. Let's create a home that supports you. Mistake number 1: mirrors reflecting your bed. In Feng Shui, mirrors are powerful amplifiers. When a mirror directly reflects your bed, it disrupts the calm, restful energy you need for deep sleep. It's believed to bounce energy back and forth, creating restlessness. The gentle fix: reposition your mirror so it reflects something beautiful and calming instead. A window with natural light, a piece of art, or a plant. If moving it isn't possible, simply drape a soft cloth over it at night. This small ritual signals to your space it's time to rest. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary. Let your mirror reflect peace, not stimulation. Mistake number 2: your bed is in the coffin position. This is when your feet point directly toward the bedroom door while you sleep. In Feng Shui, this alignment is associated with finality and lack of control. It's literally called the coffin position. The intentional shift: place your bed in what's called the commanding position, diagonal from the door, where you can see the entrance without being directly in line with it. You want to feel protected, supported, held by the room. If your layout doesn't allow this, place a small piece of furniture like a bench or a plant at the foot of the bed to create a visual and energetic buffer. Sleep is sacred. Your bed's position should honor that. Mistake number 3: clutter corners killing your chat. We all have them, the corner where things pile up. Mailbags, shoes, I'll deal with it later items. In Feng Shui, corners are where energy naturally pools. When they're cluttered, that energy stagnates, and so do we. The clearing ritual: choose one corner this week, just one. Clear it completely. Add something alive: a plant, a soft lamp, a piece of art. Let that corner breathe. This isn't about perfection, it's about flow. When energy moves freely through your space, you'll feel it in your body. Lighter, clearer, more alive. Clutter isn't just physical, it's emotional. Let it go, one corner at a time. Mistake number 4: a blocked or uninviting front door. Your front door is the mouth of qi, the primary entry point for energy into your home. If it's blocked, cluttered, or unwelcoming, you're literally keeping good energy out. The welcome ritual: clear the entry. Even if it's small, make it intentional. A clean doormat, a healthy plant, soft lighting. Walk up to your own front door as if you're a guest. What do you feel? Does it say welcome or overwhelm? First impressions aren't just for others. Your home greets you every single day. Let that greeting be kind. Mistake number 5: dead or dying plants. I know. We've all kept that brown, crispy plant a little too long. But in Feng Shui, plants represent life force, growth, vitality. A dying plant does the opposite, signals decay, and your subconscious absorbs that daily. The vitality practice: let go of plants that aren't thriving. It's not failure, it's energy hygiene. Replace them with low-maintenance, air-purifying varieties like pothos, snake plants, or peace lily, especially in areas where you want more vitality, your workspace, living room, or near the front door. Let your home be full of life. Real, breathing, growing life. These aren't rules, they're invitations. Small, gentle shifts that help your home and you breathe a little easier. If this resonated, subscribe to Bloome Moment for weekly rituals that support your energy and rhythm. Let's bloom with intention. See you next time.